Well, well, well. Look who's here curious about Road to a Million. Let me guess, you've tried trading before, right? You've blown accounts faster than you can say stop loss? Or maybe your expert broker friend gave you a sure thing that tanked harder than your gym New Year's resolutions by mid-January. It's okay. We've all been there. And that's why we're here, to rescue you from financial mediocrity with a little something called skill. Now you might be wondering, George, what makes you so special? Well, sit down, Nancy, and let me show you the receipts. We've got 3 accounts under the road to a million umbrella, each more impressive than the last. Let's dive into the numbers, shall we? Because we don't just talk the talk, we trade the trades. Here's our starter pack. The Road to a Million High Road account. Balance, 80,497.89 euros. Yeah, that's right, we're cruising with over euro 80k. And guess what? That's a 35.6% return. Try finding that in your savings account. Spoiler alert, you won't. Close profit? A casual 20,497 euros. And with a peak drawdown of just 1.7%, we're not just making money, we're keeping it. Let's talk win rate. 80.6% translation. We win 8 out of 10 trades. Not to brag, but actually, no, let's brag. Oh, and did I mention the profit factor is 3.04? That's fancy trader lingo, for we make nearly $3 for every dollar risked. Basically, this account's a money printing machine. You're welcome. Next up, the Road to a Million Low Road account. Now, this one's a bit smaller, a modest 1,491 euros, 96 cents. But don't let the size fool you. This baby's up 49.2%. That's like putting 100 euros into a vending machine and getting 150 euros back. Except, consistently and without the stale chips. Win rate, 81.5%. Profit factor, 3.18. Honestly, this account's just showing off at this point. And with a peak drawdown of 2.8%, it's got more stability than your ex's commitment issues. Oh, I went there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the crown jewel, Road to a Million Middle Road. This account's so legendary, it makes other accounts cry themselves to sleep. Balance, 14,639 euros, 65 cents. But let's talk returns. 618.1%. That's right, we turned 1,000 euros into over 6,000 euros. While you were debating whether to buy Starbucks or save for your dream vacation, we were out here compounding like maniacs. And the drawdown, 7.1%. Yeah, it's a little higher, but when you're pulling in 61,500 pips, yes, 61,000, you get a little room to breathe. And the win rate, 80.1%. You're starting to see a pattern here, aren't you? Winning consistently, like clockwork. So, what's the takeaway? Road to a Million isn't just a name, it's a mindset, a strategy, and frankly, a flex. We've got the skills, the stats, and the swagger to back it up. But here's the kicker. You don't need to know the first thing about trading. We handle the hard stuff. You just sit back and let the numbers roll in. Let me put it this way. We've got 3 accounts, each one crushing the game in its own way. The only thing missing? You. So, are you going to keep fumbling with the get-rich-quick schemes, or are you ready to join the pros? Your call. But remember, hesitation's a trade you can't afford to take. Click the link, join the journey, and let's turn your coulda, woulda, shouldas into holy crap. I did that. See you on the road.